it's Miriam from Fresh and Yummy Paperie, and today I've got a quick tip for you. All right, the quick tip is how to easily search one of my collections. Now, why is this even a question, right? Like, why do I need to know how to search the collection? Well, I've got some pretty large collections. So here we go. This collection has 149 items, and this one has 170 items. This one's got, here's one with 216 items. And this one has 137 items. Okay, so this is amazing. If you're a bride and you're looking for a cohesively designed wedding, like you want your wedding invitation to match your program and your program to match your favor tags and it to coordinate all with your welcome poster, and it all is like beautiful, cohesive, and well designed. Having a large wedding collection makes that super easy to do, right? So here we go. Let me show you why you need a tip on how to search it. So there's no search bar here, right? There's no search bar. So up here, there is a search bar. This search bar goes to the Zazzle Marketplace. So if you type in program up here, you're gonna get all of the results for program in all of the Zazzle Marketplace, right? Like it won't be specific for this collection. Okay. So to find the program, you have to scroll through, which can be kind of fun the first time you find the collection, right? So you're looking at all the pretty things and it's awesome. You see the thank you card, you see the save the date card, you see the response cards, but you're looking for the program. All right, let me show you. So here's my quick tip. I have named all of my collections with what I call a K number, okay? So here's the K number, K094 for this collection. It's a K followed by usually 3 numbers, okay? So what you do is you type up here in the Zazzle search bar, you type K094 and then program, K094 program. All right, and there you go. There's the programs. Here's a folded program and a flat program. But let's say you wanted a hand fan program, right? Or if you type something in here and there's no results, like it doesn't exist yet, right? Well, in that case, contact me because I'm happy to create any coordinating pieces that you need for your wedding. So I can create anything to match any of my designs. So I'll leave a link in the description below this video to my contact forms that you can submit a design request, and I'm happy to help. But let me show you one more thing quickly. Okay, so how to find the K number for an invitation if you're on the product page. Okay, so let me show you that real quick. Here, if you scroll down just a little bit, here's a link to the collection. So other products from this collection, and you just click on this link and it opens up the collection and you can get the K number from there. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe. And I would love it if you became a Fresh and Yummy insider by joining the email list. And I'll leave a link below for you to hop on the email list. Doing that is actually a really good idea because I'll email you when my designs are on sale. And I have tons of free goodies for brides. So if you're a bride to be, you definitely want to be on the mailing list. Okay. And that's all.